guys, what I was saying, let me complete it. Yeah, I just rented this motorbike to be able to see the other small town, not towns, I would say like small village around the hotels, and they're really beautiful. You can't believe that how cute they are. I just finished this coconut juice, but I can't find any trash bin here. I don't know, they are just throwing in the nature. I don't want to do that, but I don't have other chance. Anyway, where is my fucking